guys, so my name is Samantha. I am originally from the United States, but for the past year and a half, I have been living in Gilgit, Baldistan. Today I attended an event that was sponsored by Accelerate Prosperity that's seeking to promote adventure tourism and develop adventure tourism in Gilgit, Baldistan. And first off, I just want to say that I truly love Gilgit, Baldistan with all my heart. I truly feel that I am blessed to be able to live here. It is the most beautiful place in the world. There's no better region in the world for mountain and adventure tourism. There's no place in the world. I always promote, so I run a blog and an Instagram called Intentional Detours, and the purpose is kind of about off the beaten path adventure tourism and travel. And I primarily focus on Pakistan. And I always say this online, and I firmly stand by the fact that Pakistan is the world's premier adventure tourism destination because of Gilgit, Baltistan, and particularly, the mountains we have here and the opportunities for trekking and all types of other activities is just unlike anywhere else in the world. But I would like to give a specific shout out to a part of Gilgit, Baltistan that doesn't receive as much attention as Hunza and Scar do, but is truly a hidden gem of the region and the country, and that is the Ghizer Valley, which encompasses a large area of Gilgit, Baltistan. However, one of my favorite places in the whole country is the Yasin Valley. And if you have never heard of Yasin Valley, please Google it, and I promise you will be making a trip there soon. Yasin is very similar to Hunza in terms of its culture and its mountains and its views. And what's most notable about Yasin is the people are simply wonderful. I've been visiting there now for 2 years. I recently did 2 major treks in Yasin from Darkut and from the Three Valley. And it was just absolutely fantastic. And not only were the views amazing, but we also hired a local guide just on the spot, and he was fantastic as well. And that really just speaks to the hospitality and the wonderful people in Yasin. For example, in Yasin, if you lose a wallet or if you ask someone to watch your bag, you can rest assured that it will be there, 2 weeks later, as we clearly saw. So, guys, while you're planning your trips to Gilgit, Baltistan, Hunza and Skardu are absolutely amazing. But do not miss out on Ghizer, particularly the Yasin Valley. I will say that now, and I always tell other foreign tourists and other tourists, don't miss out on Yasin and don't miss out on Gilgit, Baltistan in general. So thank you guys so much.